to the Batch Lady, where today we are making loaded Cajun burgers. One of my absolute favourite. We have this all the time when we're in Florida on holiday. It's absolutely delicious. You put your Cajun chicken in a ciabatta bun with avocado and bacon and lettuce, and oh, it's absolutely delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make them for the freezer today, because on the Batch Lady channel I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want, so your busy work nights are covered. Okay, so like I say, this is one of my holiday special recipes, and we have it when we're in Florida lots. It's lovely. You don't need that much. You need some olive oil, you need some bacon medallions or just some slices of bacon, 4 chicken breasts, you need some garlic granules, some Cajun, smoked paprika, and some Cajun seasoning, and that is about it. So to get started, I'm actually not just going to do all my seasoning first. You can do it either way around if you want. We need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So this is to marinate our chicken breasts, okay? We then need 5 to 6 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, okay? I've just got a little one here that I'm using today. 2 smoked paprika, and a quarter of garlic granules, okay? So just a little bit of garlic granules. You can use your olive oil spoon and just give that a good mix around. It's going to make like quite a pasty sort of rub. It's going to be really dark, but you can already start to smell the beautiful flavours of it, okay? Get rid of any big lumps. And then you can just move that to the side. The reason I made mine first is if you're touching chicken, then you have to go and keep washing your hands to come back to touch anything else. It's sometimes easier to get the other stuff out of the way. Right, for my chicken, because we want it to cook and cook all at the same time and be quite thin, we don't want our big thick chicken breasts. I'm going to put some cling film out. I'm going to put my chicken breasts onto the cling film. I'm going to take some extra cling film, put it over the top. Now you can use a frying pan, you can use a rolling pin, whatever you want, but what I want you to do is bash any of the big thick bits. You know how quite often chicken breast is thick to thin, so you want to give the thick bits a bash, okay? Okay, once they're bashed, bring your bowl back over, and then you just want to add your chicken breasts to the bowl. Now just before I do, I'm just going to open my bag so it's ready. Right, you'll see how flat they are now. So that's going to make them cook so much better. So this is a great barbecue recipe. You can do it as a barbecue, or you can just do it in the oven. So it could be a midweek meal as well, or pan fry it. But get all your chicken breasts in there. Start mixing them around, and you'll see how dark they go. You know, I mean, they're really going to be Cajun-y and spicy. Grab your bag and add them into your bag. Just add in any little bit that fell off as well. Now, I'll just quickly wash my hands and come back and tell you what we're doing next. Okay, so hands washed and I am back. My chicken is in the bag. I've then got I use medallions for this. You can just use rashers if you want, but I'm just looking for 4 of them. So 4 go in the bag. Okay, so I'm just freezing these beside these so that when I come to defrost it, it's a whole recipe is already in the bag, ready to go. Okay, so I just add 4 in. They don't need the marinade on, and just seal your bag up. That's ready for the freezer. Now, if I was freezing this right now, I would have this laid flat as possible, and I would put my ciabatta rolls on the top and put the whole lot in the freezer. That means that I know when I go to get this as a family meal, all I need to do is make sure that I've maybe got an avocado, which you could also slice and freeze in a separate little bag if you wanted, but say an avocado and some lettuce and tomato, and you are good to go. Okay, so that is how it goes in the freezer. Now, when you bring it out the freezer, you just take it out and defrost it like you would usual chicken. So you can use the cold water method of just putting the bag in some freezing cold water, and it'll defrost really quickly, or leave it overnight in your fridge. And when you come to cook it, then you are either pan frying it. It's best on a griddle pan. I'm going to be making this for tonight's supper, so I'm going to take pictures and put it at the end of this video to let you see how I cooked it. We're actually going to cook ours on the barbecue, so either on the barbecue or on a griddle pan for about sort of make sure it's burning hot first, and then you're sort of searing it and putting it on, and then leave it to cook. So you're probably talking sort of like, 10 minutes, because we've thinned them out. They're quite thin, sort of 5 minutes on either side. Then you want to open up your ciabatta. You want to put your chicken on. You want to do the same with your bacon slice, so that everybody gets a lovely crispy bacon slice on the top. Lettuce, avocado, some mayonnaise, absolutely delicious. Why not give it a go? These are loaded Cajun burgers, and they are gorgeous for this time of year. Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Do please follow me on @TheBatchLady at any social media channels for lots more top tips.